6 on your side at 10 continues now.
High schoolers from 4 different states and Mexico are competing in Nampa at the Idaho Regional Robotics Competition. 6 on your side's Jessica Taylor introduces us to some of the young engineers looking to advance.
These robots are big.
Reaches about 9 feet tall, and it collapses down into a 4-foot space.
And so is the competition. Nearly 30 teams are competing against each other at the FIRST Idaho Regional Robotics Competition, 15 of them coming from Idaho, showing off their skills behind their robots they spent the past 6 weeks designing.
Try and just do the best that we can in terms of how well we studied engineering, all the math science that went behind building a robot.
All the robots have to meet requirements for height and frame size, but each team's strategy is different.
Just because they're competing against each other on this stage doesn't mean they can't help each other out backstage.
There was a team a couple weeks ago that we found out it was just going to be one team member and his dad coming up. So we reached out to them and said, hey, what can we do to help you?
Will English traveled over 2,500 miles to compete here from Florida.
I love robotics. This was the only opportunity I had to take part in the competition this year, so it was well worth the money and the miles.
Still, one student competing against teams of 40 plus has its disadvantages.
We only brought 2 little hand toolboxes where there are teams that have entire machine shops set up in their pit areas.
Columbia High School students didn't let the competition get in the way of their sportsmanship.
Because we're one of those teams that we want everyone to have a great time, not just ourselves. So spread some of that joy around.
Saturday is the last day of the regional competition here in Idaho. Winners qualify for a chance to compete in the FIRST International Championship. Jessica Taylor, 6 on your side.